Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to the Country School Walton Branch YouTube channel. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button. And today we will understand chapter number 10, multiplication in plants. We will learn about different modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. I'll just explain these topics. Our first topic is different modes of reproduction. Take some seeds and sow them in soil, water them regularly. After some days, new sapling come out of the seed. You know, flowers are the reproductive part of the plant. The male reproductive part produce pollen grains and the female reproductive part produce the egg. Seeds are formed by the fusion of male gametes with the female gametes. This type of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. There are several ways by which plants produce their saplings. These are categorized into two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Next topic है asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the formation of new individuals from the cell of a single parent. This process of reproduction does not involve the fusion of the male and female gametes. It is common among plants. Unicellular organisms like bacteria and some algae and fungi. The common forms of asexual reproductions are budding, fission, fragmentation, spore formation. Budding. This kind of asexual reproduction is observed in macroscopic organisms like yeast. In this process, a small projection arises from the parent's body. Fission. In some unicellular organisms like bacteria, the parent cell divides into two daughter cells. These daughter cells divide again to produce more cells. This kind of division is called binary fission. Fragmentation. Fragmentation is very common form of asexual reproduction in lower plants. In this process, the parent body breaks into several pieces, each of which can produce an offspring. Spore formation. Lower plants like ferns and mosses multiply asexually by forming spores. The spores are very small asexual reproductive bodies. Vegetative reproduction. In lower plants, the plant body itself divides to form new individuals by the process of asexual reproduction. But in higher plants, new plants can also develop from a part of the parent body. This part is called the vegetative part. There are two ways in which vegetative reproduction takes place: natural method and artificial method. Natural method of vegetative reproduction are by roots and by stems. Artificial method of vegetative reproduction are cutting, layering and grafting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.